Hi, so I've been trying to record with my OBS and I've been having difficulties because it keeps on telling me I'm not allowed to write to the storage or might not be having sufficient, storage and all that. So let me show you an example. I'm clicking on start recording. You can see this now, unable to write to videos, which is where I kept it. That I should make sure I'm allowed to write this or there is no sufficient space. So what I decided to do was to first of all check my storage, which is try to know if I had a whole lot of storage, and I can see I have 46 gig. That means I have lots of free memory. This is almost 50 gig, so storage is not my problem. Two, I might not be allowed to write to this particular folder, which is videos. So if I'm not allowed to write to videos, this simply means I might want to run OBS with administrator, or I might want to change the folder, each of them. So what I decided to do at this point in time is to first of all try to run OBS as an administrator. I'm going to write OBS and I'm going to try to run this as an administrator. It's going to ask me the normal question, are you, yes, this is me. So right now I want to see if after giving OBS administrator, right, would it let me record. I'm clicking on start recording again and I'm still getting the same report. So I obviously think this might be maybe because of this virus and threat protection I'm seeing over here, because I can also see it here. It's telling me if Windows 10 ransomware protection is enabled, that this could cause the error. So it's actually telling me to disable my protection, and I don't really think I would want to. Okay, but it says I should try to turn off controlled folder access. So it seems certain folders have been protected for security reasons by the Windows 10 ransomware. Maybe so people don't get to steal your videos and then use them to blackmail you or something like that. So it says I should turn it off, which I don't know if that would be wise, because if Windows actually added a security feature to that folder, it could actually be for some good reasons. So what I would want to do is to just create my own folder in my desktop. So I'm just going to go over to my settings. I will go over to outputs, and this is where I usually keep my recorded videos. Now I could decide to go turn off my security feature, which I feel most people would do, but anything else to do with security was kept there for a reason. So I might turn it off, and then tomorrow some other virus, ransomware, or evil software might have access to those folder and steal things that Microsoft was trying to protect me from. I'm not like I'm actually keeping videos that I'll be scared of, but then there's a reason those protections were being kept. So I'm going to go over to browse, and this is the folder. So I'll just head over to my PC, and on my PC I'm going to just create a new folder, and I'll call this folder something like OBS videos. So if I'm actually storing videos or storing files on my desktop, I think I would have no issues whatsoever. So let me just try. I'm going to go to select folder, OBS videos, and then I'm going to click apply and OK. So in other words, I'm saving my videos right now on a folder called OBS videos. You could actually call this folder anything. Now, just to make sure things work, or try to see if things work, I'm going to click on start recording. Yes, it is working right now. I'm going to click on stop recording, and it has stopped. I'm going to go over to my folder again, go over to my desktop, scroll down to OBS videos, and this was the video we just did. Yes, it is working right now. I'm going to click on stop. Okay, so I've been able to solve my OBS issue without getting to disable the Windows protection that was actually kept for security reasons, and I still got my videos on a safer location. So if you like this video and more like this, please hit like and subscribe. I'm stopping this video here.